In a world of ever-evolving military technology, there stands a legend, the LAV-25. With its sleek design and formidable firepower, this 8-wheeled marvel has been the Marines' go-to-ride for 5 decades, from the battlefields of Panama to the rugged terrain of Afghanistan. But the story of the LAV-25 is more than just a tale of military might. It's a saga of innovation and adaptability in the aftermath of the Vietnam War. The Marines looked to the Middle East as a potential theater of conflict. They needed a weapon that could move swiftly across vast distances while packing a serious punch. Enter the LAV-25, or the Piranha, as it's affectionately known, developed by Swiss defense contractor Mowag. This light armored vehicle was unlike anything the Marines had ever seen. With its turbocharged diesel engine and top speed of 62 miles per hour, it was quick, nimble, and deadly. But it wasn't just its speed that made the LAV-25 a force to be reckoned with. Equipped with a powerful M242 Bushmaster autocannon and a coaxially-mounted M240 machine gun, it could take on infantry, armored vehicles, and everything in between. And it wasn't just its firepower that made the LAV-25 special. Thanks to its compact form and lightweight, it could be transported by air, sea, or land, making it the ultimate weapon for rapid deployment. From the deserts of Kuwait to the jungles of Somalia, the LAV-25 has seen it all. It's been at the forefront of every major conflict, leading the charge and defending freedom wherever it goes. Today, the LAV-25 remains a vital part of the Marine Corps arsenal, deployed as part of every Marine expeditionary unit. And while its days may be numbered, with plans to replace it in the 2030s, its legacy will live on forever as a symbol of American ingenuity and military excellence.